I'm making another recording here because I wanted to show you I wired up the x-axis to my Arduino. See, I've got an Arduino that I set up here that works the little motor here, okay? But I rewired it for down here. I got it on the breadboard over here. On the breadboard, I got it here, and then I wired it up. I pulled off the x-axis from the board here, off of the board. I pulled it up here, and I rewired it to the breadboard and into the Arduino. Now I want you to watch the movement here because the x-axis will move. Watch it. I'm going to turn on the Arduino and watch the thing. See it moving? See it? When I got it on the Arduino, just going back and forth. Watch the, see? I got it just so the motor, the stepper only goes so many steps forward, pauses, so many steps backward, and pauses. And you see it's working, okay? And that's working off of my Arduino board. I got a board set up here with it. And I took it off of the pin port off of your board, so it is working. Now I want to tell you something else. The other day I got up, I came out here, turned it on, and I turned it on and I played with it a little bit, and then I had to go get some coffee and some breakfast, so I left the unit on, forgot leaving it on, but normally that would not hurt it, and I went in and I had my coffee and some rolls, and about 15-20 minutes later I came back out and I tried to move with the computer. I tried to move and none of the axes would move. This one wouldn't move, this one wouldn't move, nor would that one. They just stopped. They locked up. They're locked up as hard as they can go. They aren't moving. So my belief is right now is that your board, I must have done something to it. I don't know what, but I must have blew the circuit in it somewhere along the line. Because as you can see, with the pin out, that's the x-axis pin hooked to my Arduino. The motor is working fine. If I go in the front, you see it better. Okay, see it? What it does on the Arduino, it's set for so many steps one way, pause, so many steps the other way, pause, and keeps going back and forth, okay? So all the motors are the same. I tested it the same way. And what it is a board. The board is obviously blowing. So I'm going to ask if you can send me a board. I'll send this one back. Send me a board, and whatever you're going to charge me, I guess I just got to pay it because I was the one that screwed it up. So that's what I'm going to need. And I'm going to need it fast because my program is coming, and I don't want to have to pay him and then sit there and do nothing with it, okay? Thank you. Talk to you later. Bye.